Wireless networks are just about everywhere these days. Coffee shops, libraries, schools, healthcare facilities, hotels, event spaces, airports, government buildings, and even your home. When sharing your Wi-Fi network, it's important to set it up so visitors can't reach your network resources. You want to ensure guests don't accidentally or intentionally interact with sensitive information or critical systems. A wireless local area network, WLAN access control list, ACL, makes this happen. It lets you share your network with guests while still keeping your business operations secure. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to set up your WLAN ACL on your Cisco Business Wireless, CBW, primary access point. Next. Before diving in, there are a few important items to keep in mind to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, if you find that you're unable to reconnect to the WLAN or get an IP address after you apply the ACL, don't worry. Try accessing the Web User Interface, UI, of the access point to review the ACL settings. If needed, you can temporarily remove the ACL and adjust its settings to resolve the issue. It's also crucial to keep the access point's management interface on a different subnet than your guest Wi-Fi. If they share the same subnet, you could lose access to the web UI, or worse, allow guests to access it unintentionally. Keeping these on separate subnets enhances both security and control. Finally, you may find that you see slightly different looking screens depending on your access point model and software version. Consult the admin guide for your access point for details. For this demonstration, I'm using a CBW 145 access point connected to a Cisco Catalyst 1300 switch. But this is applicable to all CBW primary APs. Wi-Fi users are set up to receive IP addresses from the 192.168.1.0/24 subnet. I have internal resources on a 192.168.30.0/24 network. I need to filter traffic to that network. Log into the web user interface of your access point. Navigate to the Advanced section, and then Security Settings. Click on Add New ACL to configure the settings. I'll select the ACL type as IPv4 and assign a name for the list. By default, the ACL will be added to the default Flex group and pushed to the associated access points. I only have one access point, so I did not enable this option. Next, click on Add IP Rule to define the rule. Select the desired action, either deny or permit, and choose the protocol that suits your needs. For the source IP, I'll enter the subnet of 192.168.1.0 with a subnet mask of /24. You can specify a specific source point if needed. If you set the protocol to any, this option will be grayed out. For the destination IP, specify the subnet to which you want to deny access. For me, that would be 192.168.30.0, where my internal resources are located. Similarly, the destination port will be grayed out unless it's applicable. You can also select a DSCP value if needed. Once all fields are configured, click Apply to save the rule. I won't click the Apply button because I already configured my ACL. Take a look. I configured my ACL with two rules. One to deny guests WLAN users access to internal resources, and another to allow all other traffic. The second rule is necessary because ACLs have an implicit deny, meaning any traffic not explicitly permitted will be blocked. The final step is to apply the ACL to the corresponding WLAN. Go to Wireless Settings, then WLANs, and edit the desired WLAN. Under the VLAN and Firewall section, ensure the firewall is enabled. Once enabled, the ACL options become available. Under ACL name IPv4, select the ACL you just created and click Apply. Another option is to configure URL-based ACLs to deny or permit access to specific URLs. When done, apply the ACL. I'll test connectivity to the internal resources network again. It worked! The WLAN ACL now prevents guest clients from accessing internal resources. There you have it. Now everyone can enjoy the wireless network and you can stay worry-free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.